This is a robotic arm which is powered by 4 servo motors. One for the base movement, one for the up and down movement, and one for the front and back movement, and the last one for the gripper movement. This is used in many industries like space, healthcare, and agriculture. It is powered with a 7-volt battery, an Arduino Uno, and a breadboard. It is controlled using 2 joysticks. The joystick will send an analog signal to the servo motors which will cause it to work. For example, then to reset it, you just have to press the button and it will go to 90-degree angle.